What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you a very unique way on how you can mine in the blockchain. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Okay, guys, so this is the landing page of BlockDAG. The link will be in the description of the video. And just like what I mentioned in the beginning of the video, they have a very innovative approach to cryptocurrency and mining technology. So let's go ahead and check out their website and see for ourselves what are the things that I feel you guys need to know about this project and why this is very unique. What are the different products that they have that you guys can go ahead and check out for you to start doing your blockchain mining. All right, and later on in the video, guys, I will show you something that you could go ahead and watch. That way you will learn more about this project before you start investing. All right, so looking at their website, guys, these are the products that they have available for you. Look at this. It is like a Wi-Fi extender or something like that, but when you hook this up, it will automatically start mining BlockDAG tokens for you. So here, guys, you could see the BlockDAG payment card. It is as big as your typical credit card or debit card. So you could already revolutionize your spending habits with BlockDAG. And just like what's happening in the world right now, guys, they are already starting to incorporate the payment method using crypto like Bitcoin or fiat currency for you to make payments on your purchases. So here they are also telling you how you could register. All right, you also have the live conversion rate, the high value economical fees, the relentless support, and the safety and scalability. Because again, guys, before I even started doing the review and making this video, I wanted to make sure that this is safe and what are the things that they are incorporating. That way it will make your purchases or your assets more secure compared to the other projects out there. And here is another one, guys, the BlockDAG X1, the miner. So BlockDAG X1 miner offers convenient and efficient mine, allowing you to mine up to 20 BDAG daily directly from your phone. So you can go ahead and download the BlockDAG 1 app miner, and then it will start mining a BlockDAG for you, which again, just like what it says here, 20 BDAG daily directly to your mobile phones. All right, so these are the things that talks about that one. Mobile mining, you have cutting edge consensus algorithm, daily engagements, and transparent ranks. And then the next one, guys, this is the one that I showed you earlier where it looks like a typical Wi-Fi extender. And yes, it is very small. So you can go ahead and plug it on your outlet and then hook it up to your internet. And then that will continuously start mining BDAGs for you, where it will allow you to mine up to 200 BDAG daily. And then these are the things that talks about that one. So mining hardware, hash rate is 100 mAh per second hash rate. And then the energy efficiency, you have operating at 40 watts. The X10 ensures energy efficiency while maximizing profitability. Because guys, when you are doing your mining using physical apparatus or physical equipment, you are using energy, you are using electricity, and that is part of your expenses. So energy efficiency is one of the top priorities in terms of purchasing one of your rigs, right? So scalability and upgradability is also here. You already have the BlockDAG X30 here as well. So for this one, you could go ahead and hash 280 GH per second, consuming just 220 watts and tripling your mining power efficiently. So mining hardware, hash rate at 280 GHz. All right, guys, hash rate is at 280 GHz. Energy efficiency, balancing power and efficiency at 220 watts. This miner optimizes performance while managing operational cost. And again, guys, energy efficiency is king. All right, so BlockDAG X100 is the next one on the list. You have the high miner there. And this one's hash rate is 2 THS. The X100 significantly amplifies computational capabilities. And the energy efficiency is 1,800 watts, which is very efficient for the profit that you could get out of that energy consumption. Now, those are the equipment that you guys could go ahead and check out. And if you click on buy miners here, it will take you directly to this. Okay. So again, guys, I would strongly suggest that you do your own research before you start investing. But this is one promising project that you could go ahead if you are heading into the mining route, because you have a lot of different options out there. You have the online mining, you have this equipment, physical equipment mining, but at the end of the day, profitability is one of your top priorities. The profitability as well as the security of your assets. So as you can see here, BlockDAG Network's $2 million giveaway. So you can go ahead and join the BlockDAG Network's thrilling giveaway. It's your opportunity to win a share of the huge $2 million giveaway. And guys, the winners will be announced on Telegram and Twitter on the 15th of April. I would strongly suggest that when you do your own research, follow, subscribe to all the social media platforms. That way, when they have like updates, giveaways, airdrops, anything and everything, you will not miss out on those ones. So guys, BlockDAG is a layer 1 proof of work consensus mechanism, and it evolves on the cryptosphere with cutting edge technology. Now, the next one that I would also like to show is that you can click on this and it will take you directly to the crypto mining calculator. You could go ahead and check out your profitabilities and see for yourself if, you invested on this equipment, how much would you be able to earn on that one? And you can compute how many days or how many years. So for your ROI, it depends on how much you are getting, how much profit you are getting on a daily basis or a monthly basis, and then how much expenses and how much your total investment is for a certain equipment to start your BlockDAG mining. So that is available here. You can go ahead and tinker with this one, try it out for yourself. And if you have done your research and you are all set to buy, you can go ahead and click on buy. It will take you directly to this website right here. So join BlockDAG Network, connect, and contribute. Just like what I mentioned earlier, guys, I will show you where you can actually watch a video that will tell you a lot about the BlockDAG technology. So this is the DAG paper as well. So if you click on that one, it will play this video. Okay. All right, guys. So you could click on the DAG paper. That way it'll take you directly to their white paper. So you have a lot of information here. Let me zoom in on that one so you can make it a little bigger. Okay. I'm not going to read through all of these words, but I will leave it all to you. You have a lot of information that you could gather on this one that will help you out in making a decision. So you could read through all of these and include that in your own research, guys. That way you will have a very informed decision when you start investing or decide if you would like to invest or not, okay? So they are also having a pre-sale. So $13.4 million raised so far. You could go ahead and join the BlockDAG pre-sale. So click on this one. Join pre-sale. It will take you here. Okay, so there are a lot of different payment methods that you could use. You have Ethereum, USDT, BSC, Visa, MasterCard, GPay, and Apple Pay. They have a lot of different payment methods, unlike other projects where, you're trapped to just using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT, and there is no like credit cards or anything like that. So you could also earn an extra 10%, guys, when you refer other investors like your friends, your family that are also looking for an investment opportunity for them to earn more. Maybe they could also earn some passive income out of their investment when you refer them. And you would also get a commission out of that, which is the 10% bonus. All right. If you have already done your research, guys, I would also encourage you to use the comment sections to share your thoughts, your opinions on the BlockDAG's technology and the potential impact on the cryptocurrency market. And I would strongly suggest, guys, that you go ahead and check out their YouTube channel, BlockDAG. They made a video there that has a comprehensive explanation on what BlockDAG is, and it will definitely be helpful when you do your own research. All right, so let's go ahead and watch the keynote video from the BlockDAG network.
We were tired of always missing out on the next big thing, so we built it. We created a world where mining, building, earning, and spending knows no bounds. Whether you're mining on your smartphone while sipping your morning coffee, working away in your garage at your latest project, or operating on an industrial scale, BlockDAG makes this world a reality. Oh wait, there's more. With the imminent launch of our coin, you'll have the opportunity to ride the waves of early adoption, seizing the advantage through an exclusive pre-sale. And once you've amassed your treasure trove of BlockDAG coins, you can spend them with ease using our user-friendly crypto payment card, and trade our coins on all the exchanges where we'll be listed. No hassle, no fuss,
there you go.
Freedom.
Wow.
I'm thrilled to introduce this revolutionary new company. BlockDAG is not just a chain, it's a world of its own. Now, our primary products are our easy-to-use crypto payment card, our BDAG coins, and last but not least, our crypto miners, which we have 4 of. ranging from the X1 to the X100. While mining is just the beginning, with our user-friendly crypto payment card, you can effortlessly spend your hard-earned BDAG and other traditional cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana anytime, anywhere, without the hassle of waiting for transactions to clear or dealing with complex KYC procedures. Plus, you can use it at over 38 million merchants worldwide. We partnered with one of the leading banking-as-a-service provider to bring your debit card program to life. With BlockDAG, we're not just minting coins. We're forging a new digital economy that spans the globe.
Wow.
With a pre-sale price starting at 0.001 and a launch price of 0.05, this is a 50x gain just at launch. Backed by
That is insane, guys. See, just at launch, you have the opportunity to get a profit of 50 times the original price of the token when it launches and it goes into public.
$100 million in liquidity. Imagine thousands of miners globally mining BDAG coins. What could the earnings be? With 50 billion coins up for grabs, the opportunities are limitless, much like what happened with Casper and Bitcoin. So, you may be wondering how we're going to build all this. Well, the answer is easy. It's not like 5 or 6 years ago when companies made big promises and didn't deliver. There are countless banking-as-a-service and blockchain-as-a-service providers that allow companies like BlockDAG to thrive. In 2024, it's so easy to build, secure, and deploy products. It's simply plug and play. The key is security. With over $100 million in liquidity behind the coin at launch, we're positioned for the top 50 spot on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko straight away at launch in the world listings. Now, let's talk about our state-of-the-art BDAG coin miners, the backbone of the BlockDAG network. From the pocket-sized X1 to the Powerhouse X100, BlockDAG's array of crypto miners provides the BlockDAG community with diverse income streams. It's not just mining. It's a range of possibilities tailored for our dynamic community. BlockDAG's state-of-the-art mining rigs make crypto mining easier and more efficient. To ensure the mining experience is as smooth as butter, we pack each miner with a user manual and a power supply unit. Keeping the future in mind, our miners are equipped with undervolted ASIC chips and an excess power supply, ensuring extended operational life. With added processing power and hardware optimized for prolonged use, our miners require minimal modifications over time. BlockDAG's future-proof mining machines ensure both pocket and eco-friendly operations. These miners are built on the SHA-256 algorithm, allowing you to mine other traditional coins of your choice, such as Bitcoin. Now, let's do a brief overview of our mining products. First in our lineup, we have the BlockDAG X1, the app miner. This miner allows members to mine with just a smartphone and nothing else. Boost your mining rate with a tap on the lightning button to deliver 20 BDAG coins per day. At launch price, this will bring you more than $1 a day. You'll be able to download the app completely free on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store within the next 6 months. Next up, we have the BlockDAG X10, the entry-level miner. This compact mini modem offers incredible ease of connection to the network. Place it anywhere by your bed or TV and let it work for you. It provides versatility without compromising on performance. Achieve up to 200 BDAG coins per day. This equates to more than $10 in daily earnings at launch.
Wow.
With a hash rate of 100 megahash a second and for the cost of only $130. Moving
That's insane.
X30. With more advanced capabilities than its predecessor, the X30 is a step up from the X10. This powerhouse delivers up to 600 coins per day, which brings you daily earnings of $30. This comes with a hash rate of 280 gigahash a second and for the cost of only $600. And finally, we have our flagship miner, the large and in charge X100. This giant stands above the rest with its powerful processing capabilities. You can yield up to 2,000 coins per day, all with an energy-efficient and noise-insulated design with a hash rate of 2 terahash a second and for the cost of only $1,500. Now, just to put that into perspective at launch price, this will equate to over $100 per day. Now, that's just at launch. Imagine what the earnings potential could be if the coin reaches $1. And don't worry, for the corporate clients and also the people who would like to build an industrial-sized mining farm, you can get in touch with our specialist team directly through our website in the private clients section. Secure your BDAG miner now with our live pre-order on our official website at www.blockdag.network. Just click on the buy button and follow the simple steps to get started. At BlockDAG, we're not content with simply following the footsteps of our predecessors. We're forging a new path, blazing the trail towards a future where blockchain technology empowers individuals and transforms industries. BlockDAG's hybrid consensus mechanism ensures lightning-fast transaction speeds without compromising on security. With an impressive rate of 10 confirmations per second, it surpasses traditional proof-of-work blockchains, while offering robust protection against attacks. We partnered with some of the biggest security firms to ensure our platform is robust and reliable. We're undergoing rigorous audits to guarantee the highest level of security. As for the contract address, it will be released alongside our mainnet launch within the next 6 months. Stay tuned for updates on our official channels. BlockDAG doesn't settle for being just a ledger. It aims to lead the smart contract domain. By leveraging DAG technology, it aspires to become the ultimate hub for smart contracts, fostering a dynamic environment for DeFi services. You'll be able to find some of your favorite coins on our network after launch, with some of the most famous ones already applying development environments on our backend. BlockDAG addresses the key challenges of blockchain technology, including speed, scalability, spendability, and security. It envisions a future where blockchain serves as a powerful force for positive transformation. How do you make money in the BlockDAG world? With BlockDAG, there are countless opportunities to earn and grow your wealth. Let's dive into the ways to grow your sources of income. First, by mining BDAG coins using any of our 4 miners, you can generate passive income from the comfort of your own home or smartphone. Secondly, once you generate or purchase coins, you can trade these on all the platforms and exchanges where BDAG coins will be listed. And lastly, generate income easily from reselling BlockDAG miners on a number of reselling platforms where we've already seen miners triple in price on some of your favorite platforms such as Shopify, eBay, and Amazon. So, whether you're mining for rewards, trading coins on exchanges, or even reselling hardware on platforms like eBay and Amazon, there's no shortage of ways to get involved and contribute to the BlockDAG ecosystem. Let's put your potential earnings into perspective. From each of our BDAG miners alone, your earnings from mining can be from $1 all the way up to over $100 daily. And remember, that's just at launch price. With our competitive reward system, cutting-edge mining technology, the sky's the limit for what you can achieve with BlockDAG by your side. Our roadmap is a testament to our commitment to innovation and growth, from enhancing mining technology to expanding our network of merchants and exchanges. We're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology. BlockDAG's launch strategy unfolds in 4 key phases. Launch phase: establish BDAG's initial valuation, conduct thorough audits, and launch targeted marketing campaigns with a referral scheme. Next, the development phase: simultaneously maintain presale momentum while initiating mainnet development. Produce specialized mining hardware and apps. Form strategic partnerships and stay ahead of market trends with regular updates this year. Then, the pre-launch phase: sustain presale traction, deploy the smart contract, refine mainnet reliability, engage early adopters for testing, bolster security measures, and prepare the community through workshops and support. And lastly, the final phase: conclude the presale, finalize mainnet adjustments, gear up for mining operations, release software and guides, promote the mobile app, deliver our crypto payment cards and miners, and maintain incentives for hardware purchases. This meticulously crafted roadmap is designed to take us to the top 50 position on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings worldwide, structured to optimize overall performance and amplify profits for the BlockDAG community. In comparison to other blockchain projects like Helium, Caspa, and Bitcoin, BlockDAG stands to be the beacon of innovation and progress. When we look at the trajectory of blockchain projects like Bitcoin, Helium, and Caspa, we see remarkable growth and potential. For instance, Bitcoin started as a niche concept with a value of essentially zero, and today it has increased by 72 million %. Caspa, another notable project, started from an idea and has experienced significant growth, currently valued at over 6,000% since its launch. And also Helium, at more than 2,000%. Now, let's envision the potential for BlockDAG. With our innovative hybrid consensus mechanism, robust smart contract capabilities, and intuitive user interface, we're poised for exponential growth. Imagine starting from a point similar to where Doge and Shiba began, and achieving a 50x increase in value just on pre-sale, going into the thousands of percent after launch. That's the kind of potential our community sees for BlockDAG, and we're determined to make it a reality. In conclusion, BlockDAG represents more than just a blockchain. It embodies a vision of empowerment and innovation. With its diverse range of products and cutting-edge technology, BlockDAG is not merely following the footsteps of its predecessors. It's blazing a trail towards a future where blockchain technology transforms industries and empowers individuals worldwide. So, I invite you to join us on this journey toward a better, more decentralized future. With BlockDAG, the possibilities are endless, and the adventure never ends. Thank you, and welcome to BlockDAG, where we're not just dreaming about the future, we built it.
And guys, stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell, that way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.